Everything you see through, every window, every screen, begins here. At PENTU, we turn Earth into light. It starts with 99.8% pure silica sand. Combined with soda ash and limestone, precision is non-negotiable. Every gram is analyzed to ensure the glass is flawless.
Transformation. It enters the heart of the furnace, burning at 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, solids lose their form. The Earth literally turns to liquid sun. This is the refining stage. We remove every air bubble to ensure absolute clarity. The molten glass is now stabilized, ready to be cut and shaped into its final form. Each gob is a measured amount, cut with millisecond precision for the machine below. From the furnace to the mold, the transformation from liquid to object is about to begin.
PENTU's advanced press and blow technology ensures a uniform wall thickness from the very first second.
Flip, the semi-formed glass is transferred to the final shaping chamber. Compressed air forces the molten material to take its final form, pushing it against the precision-engineered walls born from fire. The liquid is still at nearly 1,000 degrees. Gentle handling is vital. At this temperature, the glass is still slightly soft and highly sensitive. Every second, another piece is added to the line. Perfect synchronization is the heartbeat of the PENTU factory. Controlled cooling begins. We solidify the surface to lock in the shape while the core remains warm. To prevent shattering, the glass must now travel through the annealing layer, a journey of slow, hidden. When they emerge, the fire has done its work. Now, the glass must prove its strength. First, our automated systems scan for microscopic imperfections, invisible to the human eye, but not anything less than perfection is immediately diverted back for recycling. No waste, only excellence. Despite the AI, the human eye remains our ultimate authority. Here, craftsmanship's, we look through the glass to see its hidden stresses. A perfect rainbow tells us the glass is strong enough for the world.
Weight and volume must be exact. In glass engineering, a fraction of a millimeter is the difference. Our engineers stay connected to the fire, using real-time data to adjust the machines instantly.
Triggers of the journey ahead. A final cold-end coating is applied, protecting the surface from scratches and ensuring it glides through the packaging lines. Inspected. Approved. The batch is ready for its final destination.
Speed meets order. To prepare for global transport, the individual units must first become a single. Our automated palletizers use soft-touch vacuum technology, lifting hundreds of units with comfortness. Layer by layer, the architecture of logistics is built. Every movement is calculated. Protective layers ensure that glass never touches glass during transit, maintaining the structural integrity. Less than 2 minutes, over 1,000 units are ready for the final seal.
Tensile strength is applied. 300 meters of reinforced film lock the shipment into a stitch. Every pallet receives its digital DNA. Origin, PENTU. Destination. No drivers, no delays. Our autonomous fleet navigates the factory floor with centimeters from the heart of the machine to the edge of the world. The journey of the glass is almost complete. A masterpiece of engineering, packaged and primed. Next, the final road to the consumer.
From this moment, the factory's output enters the global stream. Demise. Every loading is a game of precision, ensuring weight is balanced for.
Security is paramount. When transporting glass, there is zero reaches its destination. Integrity, verified. From the PENTU gates, the glass travels across continents. Whether by road, rail, or sea, our logistics network operates 24 hours a day. At the regional hub, the cargo is sorted with the same precision used to create it. The final leg of the journey. The glass is now only minutes away from its new home. The journey that began in the fire ends in the light of the city.
To the heart of the home. Welcome to the world of PENTU. Every journey has a destination. Here, the raw power of the furnace is At PENTU, we don't just make glass. We manipulate light itself.
Display is about focus. Our showrooms are designed to disappear.
Requires maintenance. We ensure every surface is a perfect mirror of our standards. At this scale, clarity is our greatest challenge. PENTU architectural glass offers an invisible bounceress. We invite our clients to see the science behind the beauty. Knowledge is as a space designed for clarity. A world where engineering and art are indistinguishable. Our glass doesn't just show you the world. It protects your peace within it. The journey from sand to masterpiece is complete. PENTU. Seeing is believing. What began as common sand is now a testament to human ingenuity. This Designer. Engineered to withstand the elements, our glass protects and preserves. The story never truly ends. It is the most. Behind every pane of glass is a team of thousands dedicated to the PENTU promise of quality. From our heart to your home, PENTU, a global leader in glass engineering. Strength. Clarity. Purity.
From our heart to your home. PENTU, a global leader in glass engineering. Next time you look out your window, look closer. You might just see a PETU masterpiece.